Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Emma and Ben. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. We're so happy to have you here. This podcast is great for anyone learning English, especially beginners.
In each episode, we speak slowly, clearly, and use easy words and phrases. Today's topic is super helpful. 1,000 useful phrases for daily life in English.
Yes, these are phrases you can use every day, at home, at work, at school, or just talking with friends.
We'll say each phrase, give an example, and explain the meaning. You can listen, repeat, and practice.
Everyday greetings, 1 through 10.
Hi, how are you?
Good morning. Good night.
Nice to meet you.
How was your day?
See you later.
Take care.
Have a nice day.
What's up?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Let's use a few of these in a conversation.
Sure.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Nice to see you.
At home, 11 through 20. I'm hungry.
Let's eat. What's for dinner?
Pizza, but I need a minute to finish this.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Shopping and errands, 21 through 30.
How much is this?
That's too expensive.
I'll take it.
I'm just looking, thanks.
Do you take credit cards?
Where is the fitting room?
Can I try this on?
I'm looking for a gift.
Do you have this in a medium?
I need a receipt, please.
Okay, listeners, take a deep breath. Are you still with us?
Good job. These are so useful. Let's keep going.
At work or school? 31 to 40.
I have a question.
Can you explain that again?
I'm finished.
I'm not sure.
What do you think?
That's a great idea.
I agree.
I don't agree.
Let's work together.
Sorry, I'm late.
Have you ever been late to a meeting?
Oh yes, I always say, sorry, I'm late, and try not to do it again.
Common requests, 41 through 50. Can I have some water, please?
Could you help me?
Could you speak slowly?
Say that again, please.
What does that mean?
How do you spell that?
I don't know.
I think so.
I hope so.
I'm not sure.
Let's pause here for a short tip.
Repeat these phrases out loud with us. Pause the podcast and practice. Say them with a mirror or a friend.
Yes, speaking helps you remember.
Daily activities, 51 to 60.
I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I go to work.
I eat lunch at noon.
I get home at 6.
I cook dinner.
I watch TV.
I go to bed.
I sleep at 10.
Use these to describe your day. You can say, I wake up at 7. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Try it now. Describe your daily routine using simple sentences.
Feelings, 61 to 70. I'm happy.
I'm sad.
I'm tired.
I'm excited.
I'm nervous.
I'm hungry.
I'm full.
I feel sick.
I feel great.
I'm bored. How do you feel today?
I feel excited we're helping our listeners today.
Making plans, 71 to 80.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Let's hang out.
Do you want to go out?
Let's get coffee.
I'm free this weekend.
I'm busy right now.
Maybe another time.
That sounds fun.
Let me check my schedule.
See you soon.
Planning something is a great way to use real English.
Yes. Try saying, let's get lunch, or are you free tomorrow?
Travel and directions. 81 through 90. Where is the bathroom?
How do I get to the station?
Is it far?
Turn left.
Turn right.
Go straight.
Stop here, please.
I need a taxi.
How long does it take?
What time is it?
Useful extras. 91 to 100. That's okay.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
Bless you when someone sneezes.
Congratulations.
Good luck.
Have fun.
Woohoo! 100 phrases. You did it.
Yes. Give yourself a big high five.
Try listening to this episode again. Pause and repeat the phrases. Write down your favorites.
And use them in real life. Even just 1 or 2 a day will help you get better.
That's all for today, friends. If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment.
Tell us, what's your favorite English phrase? Or what do you want to learn next? We love hearing from you. Thanks again for learning with us. Bye.
Bye.